there is always a miss. Catches me. She's beautiful. Smokes a pack a day. Wait there to meet anyway. She doesn't care a thing about that. She thinks I'm beautiful. Meet the chick. Anyone here old enough to remember this one? She never compromises. Loves babies and surprises. Wears high heels when she exercises. Ain't that beautiful? Meet Virginia. Well, she wants to be the queen, and she thinks about her scene. Holds her hand and she screams, I don't really wanna be queen. But daddy wrestles out the gate. Mama works on carburetor. My brother is a mind me game for the president. Here she is again on the phone. It's like me, still me alone. We just like to sit at home. Rip on the president. Meet Virginia. Alright. Well, she wants to live a life, and she thinks about her life. Holds her head back and she screams, I don't really wanna live this life. On guitar from Columbus, Ohio, Butch Walker. He was so excited about being here, he asked if I would throw out some free t-shirts. Unfortunately, I said no. But then I changed my